If you're serious about building muscle, recovering faster, or meeting your daily protein goals without choking down another bland shake, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best protein powders that deliver clean ingredients, great taste, and real results. From plant-based options for vegans to premium whey isolates for athletes, you don't need artificial fillers for gains. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the KOS Organic Plant Protein Powder, your premium plant-based option at $30 to $45 for 20 servings, typically $35 to $40. KOS combines organic pea protein, flaxseed, quinoa, pumpkin seed, and chia seed, creating a complete amino acid profile. Each serving delivers 20 grams of plant protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Organic certification means no synthetic pesticides or GMOs. It's naturally sweetened with organic monk fruit and coconut sugar, avoiding artificial sweeteners. The texture is surprisingly smooth for plant protein. Popular flavors include chocolate, vanilla, and chocolate peanut butter that taste good with just water. The formula includes digestive enzymes and probiotics to reduce bloating. Each serving provides 7 grams of fiber. The ingredient list is clean with recognizable whole food sources. It's completely vegan, dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. Third-party testing ensures purity. For vegans, people with dairy sensitivities, or anyone wanting organic whole food protein, KOS delivers at reasonable premium pricing. At number 4 is the Oregon Organic Protein Powder Plant, based at $25 to $40 for 21 servings, typically $28 to $35. Oregon uses organic pea protein, organic brown rice protein, and organic chia seeds, providing 21 grams per serving. The formula is USDA organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and vegan. The protein blend provides all essential amino acids, including BCAAs for muscle recovery. The taste is solid with flavors like creamy chocolate fudge and vanilla bean that mix well. The texture is relatively smooth. The formula includes 5 grams of organic fiber per serving. Carbs are reasonable at 15 grams per serving. Orgain is doctor-developed with strong reputation in organic food space. The powder mixes easily without excessive clumping. What makes Orgain number 4 is organic plant-based nutrition and accessible pricing. For people wanting organic plant protein without premium pricing, Orgain delivers reliable performance. At number 3 is Transparent Labs Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate at $55 to $70 for 30 servings, typically $60 to $65. Transparent Labs uses 100% grass-fed whey protein isolate, providing 28 grams of protein per serving with minimal carbs and fat. Grass-fed whey comes from pasture-raised cows with better omega-3 profile and no hormones or antibiotics. The isolate form is over 90% protein content, virtually lactose-free for easier digestion. The formula contains 0 artificial sweeteners, colors, preservatives, or gluten. It's naturally sweetened with stevia. Popular flavors include milk chocolate, French vanilla, and strawberry. The mixing is excellent with no clumps or foam. Each serving provides over 6 grams of BCAAs naturally occurring in whey. The amino acid profile is complete and highly bioavailable. Third-party testing for purity makes this suitable for drug-tested athletes. The transparent label lists exact amounts with no proprietary blends. What makes Transparent Labs number 3 is premium grass-fed sourcing and clean ingredients without artificial additives. For athletes prioritizing ingredient quality, health-conscious users wanting grass-fed protein, or anyone willing to pay more for premium sourcing, Transparent Labs delivers. At number 2 is Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed 100%. Whey protein isolate at $45 to $65 for 25 servings, typically $50 to $55. ISO 100 uses hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, pre-digested protein broken down into smaller peptides for ultra-fast absorption. Each serving delivers 25 grams of protein with only 1 gram of carbs and 0 fat. The hydrolyzed form absorbs faster than regular isolate, getting amino acids to muscles quickly. The formula is virtually lactose and gluten-free. It's banned substance tested and informed choice certified, trusted by professional athletes. Popular flavors include gourmet chocolate, vanilla, and fruity pebbles that taste surprisingly good. The mixing is exceptional. The powder dissolves completely in seconds with just shaking. The The hydrolyzed processing eliminates virtually all lactose, making this the easiest way to digest without bloating. Each serving provides 5.5 grams of BCAAs naturally occurring for muscle recovery. What makes ISO 100 No. 2 is hydrolyzed processing, providing fastest absorption for optimal post-workout recovery. The ultra-clean macros fit any diet. For serious athletes prioritizing recovery speed, people sensitive to lactose who still want whey, or anyone wanting the cleanest isolate available, ISO 100 delivers premium performance. Taking the top spot at number 1 is Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of quality, performance, taste, and value at $50 to $75 for 28 servings, typically $55 to $60. Gold Standard uses a blend of whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, and whey peptides, providing 24 grams of protein per serving with excellent amino acid profile. The blend combines fast-absorbing isolate with economical concentrate for sustained amino acid delivery. Each serving provides over 5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs. The taste is consistently rated best in class with over 20 flavors, including double-rich chocolate, vanilla ice cream, and cookies and cream. The flavors taste good, not artificial. The mixing is excellent with minimal clumping or foam. The powder works great in smoothies, oatmeal, pancakes, or recipes. Gold Standard is the world's best-selling whey protein with decades of proven results. The brand reputation is unmatched with consistent quality and third-party testing. The formula provides quality protein at more affordable pricing than pure isolates while delivering similar results. Each serving contains only 3 grams of carbs and 1 gram of fat. What makes Gold Standard No. 1 is zero compromise. Excellent protein quality from reputable sourcing, industry-leading taste across numerous flavors, reliable mixing, proven results backed by millions of users, and pricing that doesn't require premium budget. For beginners starting their protein journey, experienced lifters who know what works, budget-conscious athletes wanting proven quality, or anyone wanting the best overall whey protein, Gold Standard delivers exactly that. The combination of quality, taste, performance, and value makes it the best protein powder you can buy right now.